it was really hard to wear eyelashes over your glitter.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.
Hello everyone, this is me Ishita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to create this makeup look. This makeup look is inspired by NIKKIETUTORIAL. She is amazing makeup artist and I really like her doing makeup. She's very, pro in makeup. I am not comparing myself with her, so please don't judge me, and I am pretty much inspired by her. That's why I have created this look. So I have tried myself to create as she has created on her channel. I'm not sure whether I did it or I did some justice with this look or not. So please go ahead and watch this video and support my work. If you like it, of course you will like it, because you can see that it took me a lot of effort to create this eye look, guys, and trust me, this glitter is not very easy to put on your eyes. This goes here and there, so you have to be very careful with your glitter. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this video right now, right here. So without further ado, let's get started.
What's on the other side of inhibition? No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, how do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so cool. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe
As you can see that my eyebrow is done.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh.
it has beautiful shade. You can see it costed me only $12, and also you will get lots of glitter here, and also you will get this two beautiful spoolie, like you can say brush, as Nikki is using sparkle on their liner area only, so I'm going to do the same way. So that's why I'm using this glittery eyeshadow.
No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
Time to cut the center of the lid. So I'm using this from Maybelline Instant Age Rewind.
I got enough of every melody. They all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions.
You can keep it as it is, or if you want you can go with the glitter. So I will try to apply these glitter. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, because I'm not sure. So guys, as you can see that I have done with the glitter. Now I'm going to blend out my lower lash line. So after that I will apply this mascara. This is from Maybelline.
Got enough of every melody. They all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
This will definitely give shine on your cheeks. So I'm just using it here, like above the bronzer, like this, the way she is using it.
Ready to rescue me
using highlighter from the same palette.
Cause you make me love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition?
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you have enjoyed my video. I hope you will find it interesting. I have tried myself to do exactly what she has done, but she is amazing makeup artist. I can't compare myself with her. She is really amazing, but I got this idea from her. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please give your big comment. I really love to read your comments and replying you back. So I'm really working hard for my channel. I really need good subscriber and supporter. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Please don't only watch, please do like and comment, and because your one comment and one like is really mean a lot to me. So please go ahead and like and give your comment, and follow me on my Instagram, and the handle, you will get the handle in the description below. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.